Hello friends, let's make the standard basic recipe from South India, that is upma, today for breakfast. So I am making vegetable and nuts upma here. I have taken few chopped vegetables. You can take other vegetables of your choice. I have taken cabbage, green peas and some carrot finely chopped, and 1 cup of rava or suji. For 1 cup of rava I have taken 2.5 cups of water. So first we begin with boiling the water. I'll keep the water on the other side, and on this we will heat a pan. So into the pan I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil, and oil is already hot. Let me add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, saute them a bit. Next I am adding in few peanuts. It's about 1 tablespoon of peanuts. You can skip if you don't want. Roast a little so that they become slightly crunchy. Also I am adding few cashew nuts, broken cashew nuts. You can skip again if you want, but I am making this protein rich, so I am adding few nuts, which not only adds to the taste but it will also make it more nutritive for children. Some 4-5 black peppercorn goes into this. And now these vegetables and spices, curry leaves first, green chilies, and all these vegetables I fold into this. Saute for a while, and now I am adding this suji or rava. We will roast the suji or rava together with the vegetables so that it will already absorb the flavor from the vegetables. On a slow flame, roast for about 5 minutes. Keep roasting. We can see that the suji has swollen and it has become separate. The grains have separated from each other. They have swollen slightly, puffed up slightly. Continue for some more time. This has roasted well now. It has become pinkish brown. So now I will add this boiling water to the mixture. Let's add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix this well. Cover and cook for 2 minutes till the water is well absorbed. Let's check. Almost all water is absorbed, very few is remaining. So at this point I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of curd, fresh curd, and 1 teaspoon of fresh ghee, desi ghee to this, pure ghee. Mix well. Again we will cover and cook till the water is completely absorbed. Let's check. This is done. So we will turn off the flame and let it sit for 2 minutes. Let's cover it and set it for 2 minutes, and then we will serve. So our traditional upma with lots of vegetables and nuts is ready in less than 5 minutes. Have this recipe. Also share your feedback. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe so that you get quick updates about more such easy recipes. I am signing out now. See you next time. Bye bye.